Forgotten your Rogers voicemail password? No problem. This video will show you 3 simple ways to reset it: through the My Rogers app, using short codes on your phone, or via the Rogers website. As of November 2025, Rogers has made this process easier and more secure, so you can quickly regain access to your messages. We'll cover the essentials for a smooth and secure reset experience. Remember that Rogers prioritizes security, so you may need to use two-factor authentication during the reset process. Let's walk through each method for resetting your Rogers voicemail password. For the My Rogers app method, first update or download the My Rogers app to version 8.5 or later. Second, log in using your Rogers account credentials. Third, go to Account and then Voicemail. Fourth, select Reset Password. Fifth, confirm your identity using two-factor authentication, like a code sent to your phone, or biometric verification, and then set a new 4-8-digit PIN. Now for the short codes method. First, dial S98 from your Rogers phone. Second, follow the voice prompts to initiate a password reset. Third, you'll receive a temporary PIN via SMS. Enter this when prompted. For the Rogers website method, first go to rogers.com/myaccount and sign in. Second, navigate to Services and then Voicemail. Third, click on Reset Password and follow the on-screen instructions, which may include email verification. Remember to choose a strong and unique password for your voicemail. If you experience any issues, Rogers now has AI-powered chatbots available for instant support.